very great class. First thing, your class teacher is very good. And second thing, Glenn is very happy to be in this class. And I think you are all very happy to be in this class. Are you happy?
Yes!
Very good. It is very important for you all to be happy to learn together, okay? And you know you are in grade 6, 6年级. It's not 1年级, it's not 2年级, not 3年级, no, it's grade 6. When you are in grade 6, you are already very big boys and big girls. So, if you are happy like big boys and big girls, it is a very, very good thing. Why? Because when you finish school, you still remember everyone. You are now 12 years old, 11 years old, 10 years old, 13 years old. But, which means your brain is already growing up. You can remember everything you learned now. You can remember everybody. So, Glenn says, 他给我说你们非常好，你们上课很好，你们这个班级非常好。因为他在1、2、3、5年级的时候，那个班他觉得他不太喜欢那个班，但是他到这个班第一句话说 ，I like this class very much. I like this class very much. And you know, 他是老外小朋友，所以 the Chinese may not be very good, but the math may not be very good because of so many things. But the English is okay. And you like a team. Nobody is good and nobody is bad. Is that okay?
Yes!
Good. Everybody is good and everybody is bad. So you all help each other because you are all very great. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes!
Yeah. You are all very great. So every time you have a friend, 有朋友不会做什么，有数学不能做。 语文的作业不能做，有小问题不能做，英文自己不能骂得动。你问你们自己的班级的同学，他们肯定有人会做的，所以你们都要信任自己，要做好朋友。因为6年级会在一起，7年级有可能有人不能在这里，要转过去，这次转过来，我不知道。所以你们现在在这里要提前做。 好朋友，对不对？
对。
Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. And the way you talk, it makes me feel happy. You look like a very good class. Are you a good class teacher?
Thank you.